Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Fiverr. Whether you're a freelancer ready to receive your first earnings or simply looking to update your payout options, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelancing business. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll find several options for managing your Fiverr account. Click on My Business. This section is specifically designed for managing the business side of your Fiverr activities, including your earnings and financial settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Earnings. This is where all your financial information and payout settings are stored. Once you're in the Earnings section, look over to the left panel. You'll see various options related to your financial management on Fiverr. Click on Add Payout Method. This is the crucial step where you'll begin the process of setting up how you want to receive your hard-earned money from Fiverr. After clicking Add Payout Method, Fiverr will present you with several options for receiving your payments. These typically include Pay When Near, Bank Transfer, or PayPal account. Each method has its own advantages, so choose the one that best suits your needs and location. Some methods may have lower fees or faster processing times depending on your country, so it's worth considering your options carefully. Once you've decided on your preferred payment method, click the circle beside it to select it. This tells Fiverr which service you want to use for your payouts. After making your selection, click Continue. Fiverr will then guide you through any additional steps needed to complete the setup of your chosen payment method, which may include entering account details or verifying your information. And there you have it. You've successfully added a payment method to your Fiverr account, ensuring you can receive your earnings seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.